It's strawberry season and you got to make these delicious and my all-time favorite strawberry chocolate chip muffins packed with lots of chocolate chips and of course strawberries. So start by adding your flour and baking powder in a bowl and whisk them until incorporated. In another bowl, add your butter and beat it until soft. Then add sugar and beat until soft and fluffy. You can also use your hand mixer here. Beat 2 eggs and add to the butter and sugar mixture in 2 additions, beating in between both the additions. Then add vanilla extract and mix again. Now add the flour in 3 additions, alternating with the yogurt in 2 additions, starting and ending with the flour. Be gentle with your hands, do not overmix. This recipe can make 6 to 7 jumbo muffins or 12 small muffins. Now mix until you don't see any flour pockets. Then add the chopped strawberries and chocolate chips and mix until they are incorporated. Scoop the batter into muffin liners. Bake in a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and then at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Once done, place them on a wire rack to cool for some time. And then of course you can dig into them. Look at that texture. These are going to melt in your mouth and you're going to love them. So enjoy and happy baking!